Hi Mama, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to properly use a breast pump for comfortable and effective milk expression. Before pumping, wash your hands and ensure all pump parts are clean and dry. Find a quiet, comfortable place and relax your body. Assemble the pump by connecting the flange, valve, membrane, bottle, and tubing. Check that everything is secure to avoid air leaks. Place the flange over your breast, centering the nipple inside the tunnel. Sit upright and make sure the fit feels comfortable. Turn on the pump at low suction, then slowly increase to a comfortable level. Continue pumping for 15 to 20 minutes, or until milk flow slows and your breasts feel softer. Turn off the pump and carefully remove the flange. Pour the expressed milk into a clean storage container and label it with the date and time. Wash all pump parts with warm soapy water and allow them to air dry. Thank you for watching. Remember to take care of yourself and your baby.